Have you ever been reading and come across a word for which you did not know the meaning? One strategy you can use to help determine the meaning of an unknown word is to look at the other words in the sentence. These other words, when used as clues, are called context clues. Let's start with the word Tarakoh. This is not a common word and may be unfamiliar to you. Now, let's look at the same word in the context of a sentence. I could see that the Tarakoh's feathers were brightly colored as it flew over my head. Using other words from the sentence as clues, we can now get a better idea of what the word Tarakoh means. Words from the sentence such as feathers and fly can be used as context clues to help us understand that a Tarakoh is probably a bird. Let's look at another word. This time, the word we will focus on is devoured. I was so hungry, I devoured the pizza in minutes. Which other words from this sentence help you better understand what the word devoured means? The words hungry, pizza, and minutes can be used as context clues to help you better understand that devoured means to eat something quickly.